Welcome to Arts Core. In this video, I have another color pencil tutorial. All the materials are listed in the description box below. To start off, take something circular and draw the basic guidelines using a pencil. Now take an eraser and lighten the guidelines so you can faintly see them. First, take yellowed orange, or any orange, and go over the border of the yolk. Then take Scarlet Lake and color over the orange. If you don't have Scarlet Lake, you can also use red. Now take the yellowed orange again and start coloring in the shown areas. Then take lemon yellow and draw out 2 squares for highlights. Then go ahead and color in the shown areas. Take the yellowed orange again and add another layer in the shown areas. Now take the Scarlet Lake and add a bit of red in the shown areas. Then take dark umber and color in the shown parts of the shell. Now alternate between the Tuscan Red and yellowed orange to complete the shell. At this point, take white and blend the inside of the shell and the bottom part as well. Now take dark umber and start coloring in the second shell. Pay close attention to the areas that I have kept dark and replicate them on your drawing. Then take yellowed orange and add a second layer on the left side. Now take white and blend it out. Use Tuscan Red to color in the border on the left side, and add some color to the center as well. With the same color, add a dark shade at the bottom so it looks like the shell is curving. Then take dark umber again and build on the shells around the circle. At this point, take white to blend everything out once again. Now take dark umber, add another layer to the left side, blend it out using white, and continue building on the shell with the dark umber again. Apply another layer of the dark umber in the shown area and then blend it out using white. Also use yellowed orange and scarlet lake in the top area. Now start making a shadow using a pencil. Press lightly as you move away from the shell, then take a paper stump or brush to blend it out.
Santiago, your test result from the sergeant's exam has arrived.
Ooh, everybody make needs adequate space to do her signature.
Oh, look how small that envelope is. That's not a big good news envelope.
Amy Santiago, put down that melon, or you were about to feast your eyes on one of the most delicious faces in the NYPD. I don't like the personality I've chosen here. I do. You sound like Caesar Flicker, welcoming the new Hunger Games tribute to the Port of Quell. In 1 week, you'll officially become a sergeant. This case will be the last one we ever worked together as detectives, so we have to.
The last step is to take a white gel pen and add details. And here is the final drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Also, share your drawings with me on Instagram so I can feature them on my story.